Something unusual is happening inside big tech. Google, Microsoft, OpenAI. They're all racing toward the same thing, AI agents. And the competition is accelerating. This race isn't about building smarter chatbots. It's about systems that can plan, decide, and take action autonomously. Not just assist, but execute. That changes the whole software paradigm. AI agents don't just respond to commands. They orchestrate tools, schedule tasks, and coordinate workflows often across multiple applications at once. Human oversight becomes optional, not required. For big tech, this means scale. One AI agent can handle workloads that used to require dozens of software products and thousands of human hours. Work shifts from manual effort to automated throughput. Productivity becomes multiplicative, not linear. Companies want AI agents because they remove friction. Less coordination, fewer meetings, fewer delays. And in modern business, operational speed beats organizational size. Execution becomes continuous instead of episodic. There's also a defensive motive behind this shift. If your competitor runs on autonomous systems and you don't, they outpace you by default. Velocity compounds the same way capital does. AI agents also lock users into ecosystems. Once agents control workflows, data and processes, switching becomes expensive and risky. Whoever owns the workflow, owns the customer. This creates strategic power at the platform level. Big tech approaches differ. Google is pushing toward multi-agent systems and tool orchestration. Microsoft is embedding agents deeply into enterprise workflows through Office and Cloud. OpenAI is pursuing an agent-first model that redefines software around natural language. Different strategies, same destination. Use cases are emerging fast. Finance uses agents for reconciliation and reporting. Healthcare uses them for scheduling and diagnostic support. Customer service uses them for full ticket resolution, not just response. Software teams use them for code generation, testing, and deployment automation. These aren't prototypes anymore, they're being deployed. But there are risks and barriers too. Autonomous execution raises safety questions, compliance concerns, and new forms of error management. Who's accountable when an autonomous system acts incorrectly? Governments and regulators aren't ready for that conversation yet. Timeline matters. In 2023, agents were demos. In 2024, they became tool callers and workflow coordinators. By 2025, they started replacing software modules. And in 2026, they're evolving into autonomous operational layers. The curve is steep, and getting steeper. This race isn't slowing down. Because whoever builds the dominant agent framework will define how digital work gets automated for the next decade. And frameworks become infrastructure. Just as operating systems shaped personal computing, and cloud platforms shaped modern software development. Agents may define the future of work itself. Big tech isn't chasing AI agents for innovation alone. They're chasing leverage. And leverage reshapes markets, reallocates labor, and redistributes value toward whoever owns the automation layer. The AI race is no longer about intelligence. It's about autonomy. And that's why big tech is moving so fast.